You've got an idea, a startup, and maybe even some traction, but no deck. And now you've got a meeting tomorrow. I'm going to show you a tool that's going to save you, and all it takes is a single prompt. You don't need a designer or to spend 8 hours making slides. Today, I'm using Vengage's AI pitch deck generator to build a full branded investor deck from just a prompt. If you've ever scrambled to put together a slide deck for a pitch, client onboarding, demo day, whatever, this tool is going to save you hours. We're going to create a pitch deck for a fictional video services agency. This could easily work for freelancers, consultants, founders, or anyone who needs to pitch clean, fast, and without hiring a designer. And the best part is, you don't need to start from scratch. All right, let's go ahead and jump in. We're going to start at venngage.com. We'll navigate over to product, and then from here, go to AI tools. Now we're going to scroll down to find the business category, and we're going to explore the AI pitch deck generator. So we'll click here, and then I'll have the link to this tool in the description below, or you can follow the 3 easy steps that I just mentioned, and feel free to explore the other generators. I am positive that there's one for your use case. So to start, I'll enter a prompt like pitch deck for a video production business helping SaaS startups create and launch content. Hit generate, and we're off. It'll start generating our design. Okay, so in a few seconds, Venngage spins up a full deck structure. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. We have our title slide, company overview, our mission statement, and a little bit about our founders. We have our competitive advantage and our approach. We have problem solutions and the packages that we offer. And then finally, the team and a call to action. So as you can tell, this is not just a skeleton. Each slide comes pre-filled with draft content and layout blocks. Now let's make this our own. So we'll click customize here, and we'll be taken into the Venngage editor. First, we're going to test the AI text generator. You can click into any block of text and adjust it instantly. So let's go to the problem solution slide. I'll update the approach section and use the AI to rewrite our USP to sound founder-led instead of generic. So let's go ahead and click into this, and then we'll go up to improve text, and then we just ask AI, sound more founder-led. Press enter. Awesome, we get our AI text. As founders deeply immersed in the SaaS space, we are passionate about creating explainer videos, product demos, and customer testimonials that truly resonate. We work hand in hand with our clients, ensuring every video highlights the unique features and benefits that matter the most. So this looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and press replace section, and then it automatically updates. Now let's add some visuals. I'll use the AI image generator to drop in context-specific images. So let's go ahead and go to another page. We'll go here to Vid SaaS, and let's go over to AI tools and then generate images. So let's go ahead and describe. We'll do cinematic behind the scenes shoot, and then we'll change the style to cinematic and generate the image. And let's see what we end up getting. Okay, awesome. So we got some images back here. So if we want to replace one of these, we can go ahead and use this one. Since I already had this section selected, I clicked it and it automatically updated. It updated with the black and white as well. So that looks great. And then for smaller accents, I'll pull icons using the AI icon generator. So we'll just go back to the AI tools and then go to generate icons. For some icons next to our team, we'll go ahead and put a video camera next to Scott Michaels and Brett Hartman. Okay, great. I'll insert this here, and then we can put it right there. And then for our SaaS strategy lead, we'll just put strategy, generate this. We'll put this icon here. And then we could continue on across the entire deck, but you can see how easy it is to really just personalize it and make it your own. And one thing I know we went over the slide briefly, but this deck follows a real pitch narrative. It's not just slides with facts. You get a full story arc, you get your problem solution, your validation, the offers. It even includes pricing breakdowns and next steps so that you can actually close deals and not just impress people. You could easily send this to a client or an investor without having to add more. So now that I showed you a little bit about the customization, one last thing I want to show you is the branding. So now it's time to look like it came from your team. Over in the side panel, you can either upload your brand kit or just type in a company name. So we can add the brand kit here by setting it up manually, or we can enter the company name and Venngage will automatically pull in your brand's assets. So let's go ahead and just put Frame Lab, confirm, and then we get the color palettes, and then we also get logos, we get fonts. So all you would have to do is press shuffle, and you can see that each page will update with the brand new color. So we can add this to everything. And it's really that easy to do. And then for logos, we could also put the logo in here, or we could replace this. I'll unlock this, delete it. And I think that looks great. So as you can see, our entire slide deck is completely updated. And then of course, like any other editor, you can fine tune layout elements like font sizes, icons, text boxes, if you want full control. Also, there's a built-in accessibility checker. All you have to do is go down to File, go to Accessibility, check Accessibility, and then you would just choose Check My Design, and it'll flag issues like contrast, font size, missing alt text. If you're sharing this deck in a public setting or with big orgs, it's a really nice touch that makes it look extra polished. So now that everything is filled in and styled, let's export. You can go up here to Download, and you can download this as a PDF, a PowerPoint, a PNG, or you can also share this as a live link. You can also invite your team to collaborate inside of Venngage if you're making updates or you're giving feedback. This is where most tools fall apart, but Venngage makes handoff and distribution super easy. You could literally go from idea to presentation ready in under 10 minutes. So if you're a founder, a freelancer, or if you just hate making decks from scratch, Vengage's AI pitch deck generator is kind of a cheat code. It gives you structure, the content, the visuals, the brand styling, all from a single prompt. And you can try it totally free. I'll drop the link in the description. If you build something cool, tag us or tag Venngage. We would love to see what you're pitching. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.